In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GMGN.AI with Telegram bot. So the first thing you need is a GMGN account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever on GMGN, so make sure you check that out. Now from here, once you have your account and once you're signed in, to connect with the Telegram bot to find the official bot, it's very important to go down here at the very bottom right where it says bot, and then once you click on that, as you can see, you have a GMGN login bot, which is their default bot. They have different bots as well you can use if you want to. However, this one is the default one and the biggest one inside the Telegram. So you want to click join over here. And then from this site, as you can see, it's got almost 500,000 monthly users. You can click Start Bot if you have Telegram installed on your computer as an app, but if you don't have that, you can simply click Open in Web, and this will open up the Telegram web app over here. And as you can see, this is now their GMGN Telegram bot over here. It will automatically open up this menu. You can also hover over this and click on Start. And from here, as you can see, you'll be able to log into website by clicking over here. You'll be able to see your different wallets that you have over here. You'll be able to see your referral links, etc. And then as well as up here, you'll be able to use their sniper bots, backup bots, etc. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.